Hi there, Wally Wells with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'm here today to show you this beautiful Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This is a 2025 model, brand new, has full warranty, and we're going to talk about why this is one of the most popular boats Sea Ray has ever built. It does so many things very well. One of the things this boat does really well is the swim platform area, because your submersible portion of the platform is part of the platform itself, and you can lower this down to about a foot below the water or at any height that you want. It's a great place for people who are apprehensive about the water. They're safe, they're on the boat, yet they're in the water. It's just a great, much easier way to get back up onto the boat out of the water rather than using the swim ladder. Another feature is the SeaDek option, where you have the sun pad with the lounge that swings around, and you can enjoy the view from a different angle. Another great thing about the Sea Ray 320 is you have this huge L-shaped seating area that seats a lot of people. There's a table that you can install that easily stores away into the engine room area to get it out of the way if you prefer. It has a wet bar with a refrigerator and sink. And overhead we have the fiberglass hardtop with the skylight and the sure shade that will come out back over the sun pad area and provide a lot of additional shade. This boat is a coupe, meaning it has a solid windshield in front. You have a door that closes, so this is a very protected cockpit area. At the helm we have twin Simrad displays, so one side you can put your navigational chart up, on the other side you can monitor your engines. The boat's equipped with Mercruiser's 6.2 liter 350 horse V8, so you have plenty of power. That's the most desirable engine package for this boat, and it's equipped with Axios joystick controls. You also have skyhook feature and auto heading. The Sea Ray 320 was one of the first sport cruisers to have recessed bow seating, and you have a very safe walk through going up to that area, and in that area you have all the creature comforts that you could hope for. You've got pop-up headrest, drop down armrest, stereo remote, charging ports for your phones, speakers, a table. It's just a very comfortable area, and because it's recessed and has the railing, you can sit up there while the boat is underway and be safe. Inside the cabin of the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, there's a V-shaped area for dining, and that table will lower so that you can make that a berth area. There's also aft, there is a mid cabin which has two twin beds that can also be put together to make a huge queen size bed back there. Also in the cabin there's a refrigerator and a microwave. There's a wet head with electric toilet, vanity style sink, opening port, shower, everything you need for a comfortable overnight stay. Well, that wraps up this video for the Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, and as you saw in the video, this boat does a lot of things really well. It's a great day boat, yet you can overnight on it. It's got safe seating up at the bow, lots of seating in the cockpit. If you're interested in this boat, please contact us here at MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. I'm Wally Wells. Thanks for watching.